How to charge JBL PartyBox 120 battery. So if you want to charge your battery, just go ahead and plug it inside the slot for your battery. It's going to be right here. You can put your battery in, and then at the bottom of your speaker, you'll be able to see this. You can open the cover up and you'll see the charging slot. Just use the provided charger, the AC cable. It should look something like this, depending on what you have and what was provided for you. It should be a little fold over here, but just plug it in over here while the battery is inside the speaker, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna go ahead and charge your battery, and usually it could take hours depending on how low the battery is. But that's pretty much it. The battery indicator LED will show the charging status, and your charger will be charging your battery. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.